It's accounting. Yay! We've had all kinds of issues with our electronics and going live and all that beautiful stuff today because is there a retrograde going on? I don't even know, but hello, hello. I am Kimse Lamiel from Lamiel.com, the money goddess, and today I wanted to let you know that I'm doing a free masterclass that runs for 10 days over on Facebook. The link is below, and it's all about manifesting 10K in 10 days is what my intention is. You can set your intention slightly different, but you'll learn all about that in the class. The link, like I said, the link is below, and hit the link. It'll take you to register, and then you get to the Facebook the Facebook group. We're a little off schedule today because if you've been following, we are manifesting houses, myself and a group of people, and we're doing that live. So also I'll put the link to that course under this video as well. So for myself, yay, there's been some changes and there's been some changes, and it's changing our schedule, and it is affecting our Thanksgiving and all that kind of stuff. And who knows, I'll probably be doing the live tonight from the bathroom to get away from all the chaos and the noise that's going to be going on later on. However, if you would like to become a part of, if you'd like to become a part of that free group, I'll hit the link. And what we're going to be talking about is manifesting 1K. And this training is not going to be like, oh, set your intentions and then, you have to hold yourself at a vibrational alignment and blah, blah, without giving you the details. That's not what the hell this is. This is about teaching you the key to allowing in what you want. So there's tons of shit out here already, and even on my channel, about manifesting and getting clear on your intention and all of that great stuff. So once you've done that, right, then it is still like, where's my shit kind of scenarios going on, right? Because we're not in vibrational alignment with what it is that we're trying to manifest. And this live training is going to teach you how to get and stay and hold that vibrational alignment and develop your faith in this system so that you can get what it is that you're manifesting, right? Because so I say to myself, so what would Lamiel Magic do? I don't know if many of you know. I have a Instagram channel, Instagram page. It's called Lamiel Magic, and it's a little bit different than Lamiel, and it's probably more truer to my nature, less business focused. So I'm always really, really excited, and it's almost like a high when I do these videos, which is crazy because of the high that I get from doing this and from sharing information. You would think I would do this like all day, every day, which I probably will start doing, but that's been part of my own growth and my own resistance that I've been adding, to my melting pot that I'm changing or have changed. So, but my truer nature, and when I am much more into in alignment with the essence of who I am and how I love to do things, it's very, very much ease and flow. And I get excited, but I am less aggressive, not quite as loud. So I wanted to make sure that I was connecting with, the essence of who I am and making sure that I am accomplishing getting this message to you. So I was really, really trying to reconnect with myself in that moment that was caught on tape. So point being here is that a lot of us are trying to strong arm our way through manifesting and through success and through getting what we want, and it's not working. And when it does work, it's so hard, right? And so society has said, yes, that's how you do it. You got to sweat and grind and push and pull and fight and struggle and beat out the other man, and then you deserve what you want. But the truth is, you can pretty much have what you want without the stress, without the drama, without the justifications, without, what I like to call fuckery. It's not necessary. And those of you who talk about having faith, well, it's easy to have faith when you see it happening, right? But real faith is truly when you don't see it yet. You just have to know that you know that you know that it's coming. And it's easier to have that kind of faith when you are vibrationally aligned with what you want. It actually comes quite naturally. So that's what this course is about. It's about picking your intention and learning how to become a vibrational match. The vibrational matching is the receiving of what you want, because as soon as you become a vibrational match to it, it shows up. So asking happens, right? We're all good at that. Give me, I want, I like, yes, that too, 3 of those, 4 of those, 1 in every color. We can do that. That happens. I'm getting notifications from the group right now because I did the first live in there. So I'm looking at those. But that part we know. That part's been done in movies. That part's been done in books. That part is shown and taught all over the wonderful world of YouTube. So what I want to show you and what I'm going to dedicate 2019 to is mastering and helping you master the art of becoming vibrationally aligned with your shit, right? So people can stop saying, where's my shit? I did it. Where's my shit? Your shit. So it's like saying, hey, Lamiel, will you give me $100? And I say, sure, I just sent it, right? And I sent it through Cash App. And you got Zilla. Or you got Facebook. However you get money on Facebook. And you checking these and you checking, and it's like it's not there. And I'm like, yeah, I sent it as soon as you ask. And we all know how Cash App works, right? As soon as you send it, it's there. So that's what happens with God, with the universe. You ask and it's there. But you can't see it. Why? Because you're not there. You can't say I'm the DJ and be like, yo, play that funky music. And I'm like, yo, it's playing. And you're like, I can't hear it. Well, what radio station are you tuned to? Because if I'm playing it on 95 and you on 97, of course you can't hear it. Doesn't mean it's not playing. Doesn't mean it hasn't been delivered, right? You are the one who is not in the right vibration. You're not on the right frequency. You need to turn the knob, get to the right frequency so you can get your songs, so you can get your money, so you can get the things that you've been asking and asking and asking for. Have you ever experienced where you really, really wanted something and it didn't show up, and then you're like, okay, fuck it, it's not going to happen. And as soon as you go, okay, I don't want this anymore, it shows up. Because now you've stopped with the doubting and the forcing. You've allowed for it to actually show up. You became in alignment with it. We keep ourselves out of alignment with the worry, with the fear, with the second guessing, the just crazy self-talk, the constant checking, the constant denial. Abraham has a really, really great analogy, right? And they said, it's like planting a seed, right? If you were a farmer and you put the corn in the ground and you talk shit basically to the corn the whole time, you're probably not even going to grow. You're probably not even going to make it. You're probably going to die right there in the ground. That's what a lot of us are doing with our manifestations, right? We are setting our intention and then we talk it till it's dead. And better yet, some of us don't even bother to water it. And then wonder where it is or why didn't it manifest. So this training is for that, to teach you how to get to the right alignment, the right vibrational alignment with the things that you have been asking for. And if you are interested, for our Black Friday through the end of the year, there's now 2 ways that you can work with me one-on-one. Not one-on-one. One of those ways is one-on-one. I have some slots open in my group coaching still. If you're interested, you can go over to lamiel.com, the link will be below, to the one-on-one program, which is awesome and so life transforming, because this is the first time where you're going to get absolutely everything that I have ever, created. And then I'm going to walk you through the one-on-one, which programs to do first. And you're going to have assignments with me and one-on-one time, and we're going to actually work on real life goals. You get access to me through an amazing app, so we can chat and talk and things like that when you need it. And so that's available at an amazing price, because it's going to almost triple next year. So if you're looking to get in, there's payment plans on that. You just need to send me a message, okay? Because the payment plans are not on the page. It allows you to put a deposit down if you want to get started with me, and the openings actually start next month, so that coaching will start next month. But if that's not your cup of tea, my fun money may be your shot of vodka. So what that is my group coaching, and we meet once a month live, and once a month live for Q&A. So once a month live for training, once a month live for Q&As, and we cover everything, right? And the main focus of this is teaching you vibrational alignment techniques. So every month you're going to learn a new vibrational alignment technique to allow you to become vibrationally aligned with what it is that you are manifesting. And so that is new, and we start that next month as well. If you join now, you get a free training that will be in there for those people who are just in that group. And it's going to be a lot of fun. We've got a lot of really great things in store. Those people that are already in programs with me, we're going to have a blast on our way to Christmas. I'm going to be giving away all kinds of stuff. So there's also going to be a link for the 12 Days of Christmas that opens up on December 1st. So just remember to go there. I'm going to be giving away things every day. Things are going to be on sale. I'm going to be giving away courses and books and blah, 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 blah. Everything. Some of my favorite stuff. I am going to be Oprah. So it is my rendition of Oprah, giving away things that help you manifest your money. So I'm really excited about that. And I am hoping that you can join us over there on the free 10K and 10K and it's a tongue twister, 10K in 10 days training. And if you have any questions, go on over to lamiel.com, send me a message. You can post it here underneath this video. I personally try to answer every comment that has a question in it. And thanks for being here. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Things are going to be changing on the channel, and we're going to merge all the channels together. So there's going to be more playlists that represents each of the other existing channels that I have, because YouTube is changing. So you're going to notice some changes, and you're going to get to watch and subscribe to the playlists that are of interest to you. So see you next time.